space.
Good morning, Billy.
Morning, Sully.
Ready for another big day at school?
You betcha.
Billy, sit here. Sit here.
Thanks, Valerie. What you looking at?
My lunch snack. I got cheese and crackers.
Hey, I got cheese and crackers too.
Did someone say cheese and crackers? Ooh. I was told not to open them until lunch.
Ooh, but they look so good.
Hey, if we just have one now, there'll still be lots left for lunch. Right?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Uh-oh. Bumpy road up ahead.
Whoa!
The cheese!
The crackers! Those red stick things!
Did I just hear school snacks hit the side of the bus? Oh, cheese and crackers. My bus is covered in cheese and crackers.
We're sorry, Sully.
Looks like I'll have to pay a visit to Carl's car wash.
Yay!
After I drop you kids off at school.
Aww.
Question 3. Which of the following are not part of a car wash? A, brushes, or B, bananas? Well, brushes go and bananas are delicious, but they aren't part of a car wash. Oh, pencils down. It's a customer. Hello there. Welcome to Carl's Car Wash. I'm Carl.
Hi, Carl. I'm Sully. And I've got a bit of a mess on my hands. The kids spilt their lunch snacks out the windows.
Don't worry, Sully. I'll get you cleaned up in time for recess. Let's get started. What kind of vehicle are you driving? Is the vehicle a school bus, a limo, or a tour tram? That's it. It's a school bus. Now, let's see how messy it is. Is it a little messy, medium messy, or super duper messy? It's just a little messy. Sully said the mess was a lunch snack. Let me see what kind of lunch snack this is. It's creamy, but also crumbly. Is it apples and caramel, cheese and crackers, or peanut butter and celery? It's cheese and crackers. And finally, what size is this vehicle? Is it normal sized, or is it big? That's one big school bus. That'll be 12 tokens, Sully.
That's all my lunch money. I'll drop them in by fives. 5, 10, plus 2 more equals 12. Here I go. Thanks, Carl. Now I can go pick up the kids after school with a nice, clean school bus.
And hopefully they'll be done with their snacks. Now, back to my quiz.